Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on banking and insurance. This is part 5. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Stepping into the shoes of the other is applicable to the principle of dash A. Causa proxima, B. Guarantee, C. Subrogation, D. Contribution. Correct option is C. Subrogation. 2. Dash is used in those contracts which guarantee the payment of certain sum of money on the happening of a specified event. A. Assurance, B. Insurance, C. Indemnity, D. None. The correct option is A. Assurance. 3. Dash ensures payment of the sum assured to the policy holder or to his nominee either at the end of the period or on death of the assured. A. Endowment Assurance, B. Whole life plans, C. Joint life policy, D. None. The correct option is A. Endowment Assurance. 4. Dash is intended to spouses. A. Whole life policy, B. Joint life policy, C. Endowment Insurance, D. None. The correct option is B. Joint life policy. 5. Group insurance intended to insure a group of people under a single policy called A. Endowment Assurance, B. Whole life policy, C. Joint life policy, D. Master policy. Correct option is D. Master policy. 6. The proposal for group insurance is called dash A. Leader proposal, B. Master proposal, C. Main proposal, D. None. The correct option is B. Master proposal. 7. GGS means dash A. Gratuity Group Scheme, B. Group Gratuity Scheme, C. All, D. None. Correct option is B. GSS means Group Superannuation Scheme. This is the correct option. 9. ACR means A. Accountant's Confidential Report, B. Agent's Confidential Report, C. Assessment of the Confidential Report, or D. None. The correct option is B. Agent's Confidential Report. 10. MHR means dash A. Manual Hazard Report, B. Moral Hazard Report, C. Medical Hazard Report, D. None. Correct option is B. Moral Hazard Report. 11. Voluntary termination of contract of life insurance is called A. Returning of policy, B. Surrender of policy, C. Withdrawal of policy, D. None. The correct option is B. Surrender of policy. 12. The total amount remitted in the form of premium will be the dash of such policies. A. Surrender value, B. Paid up value, C. Surrender cost, D. None. The correct option is B. Paid up value. 13. Dash applies mathematical and statistical methods to assess the risk in the insurance business. A. Mathematical science, B. Behavioral science, C. Actuarial science, D. None. Correct option is C. Actuarial science. 14. FPR refers to dash A. First premium report, B. First premium receipt, C. First proposal report, or D. None. Correct option is B. First premium receipt. 15. RPR refers to A. Renewal premium report, B. Renewal payment report, C. Renewal premium receipt, or D. None. The correct option is C. Renewal premium receipt. 16. Life insurance is a dash contract. A. Long term, B. Short term, C. Medium term, D. None. Correct option is A. Long term. 17. In life insurance, the amount of premium depends upon A. Period of the policy, B. Type of policy, C. Age of the insured, D. Repaying capacity of the insured. Correct option is C. Age of the insured. 18. Dash is a plan that is tailor-made for families. A. Floater health insurance policy, B. Group health insurance, C. Unit-linked health insurance, D. None. Correct option is A. Floater health insurance policy. 19. Low-cost policy for employees is provided by dash A. Life insurance, B. Health insurance, C. Group insurance, D. None. The correct option is C. Group insurance. 20. In marine insurance policies, Open policy is also known as dash A. Valued policy, B. Time policy, C. Unvalued policy, D. Voyage policy. Correct option is C. Unvalued policy. 21. Writing of the policy before its actual maturity is known as dash A. Nomination, B. Foreclosure, C. Surrender, or D. None. Here correct option is B. Foreclosure. 22. Dash insurance covers many persons under one contract. A. Public insurance, B. Group insurance, C. Personal accident insurance, D. None. Here correct option is B. Group insurance. 23. Dash is the rate at which the central bank rediscounts the bills of commercial banks. A. Bank rate policy, B. Central bank rate, C. Credit rate, D. None. Here correct option is A. Bank rate policy. 24. Dash is the deliberate attempt by the central bank to influence the volume of credit available in the country. A. OMO, B. SLR, C. BRP, D. None. Correct option is A. OMO. 25. Delivery of bank service to a customer at his office or home by using electronic technology is called dash A. ATM, B. EFT, C. E-banking, D. None. Correct option is C. E-banking. 26. The amount is instantly credited to the account of the customer in dash A. ATM, B. EFT, C. CDM, D. None. Correct option is C. CDM. 27. Virtual banking is also called dash A. Internet banking, B. Home banking, C. Mobile banking, or D. None. Correct option is A. Internet banking. 28. Plastic money is dash A. Debit card, B. Credit card, C. ATM card, D. None. Correct option is B. Credit card. 29. KCC is dash A. Kisan credit card, B. Kisan customer card, C. Key credit card, D. None. Correct option is A. Kisan credit card. 30. NPA means correct option is in fact B. Non-performing assets. Others are not correct as A. Net performing asset or net profit acceptance. These are not the correct options. The correct option is B. Non-performing asset. So this was about this particular video tutorial. I hope that all of you have liked this video tutorial. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.